For many years, Photoshop has been the industry standard for photographers and graphic designers. It's not cheap. Their monthly plan starts at around $20 per month, costing around $240 per year. Thankfully, if you need many of the same features found in Photoshop, there are free alternatives that you can use to create and edit your images like a pro. Before we get started, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification to stay aware of our latest videos uploaded on this channel. Starting off our countdown, number 5 is Pixlr. This is for those of you looking for a more user-friendly photo editor than those coming up in our video. It's a browser-based, so it can be used in your favorite browser or any operating system without the need to download any software. It supports most of the popular image formats including PNG, JPG, PSD, and many other. Thousands of templates are available to help you get started, along with animation presence to enhance your images. You can remove the background. There's a lot of options. When you start out to choose, use Pixel X or Pixel RE or Pixel E. Basically, Pixel RX is there's no editor for those of you who want to edit a photo quickly. Pixel E is for those of you needing a more extensive set of tools for more detailed work. Pixel X is to edit an image quickly. You'll find a basic set of the most used tools located along the left side, and to add, crop, retouch, and add filters and effects. Pixel E on the left, you'll get more than double of the number of tools, including brush and everything. Basically the Pixel X and E are supported and free, include most of the basic feature that most people would ever need. For additional features and an ad-free experience, they have everything. Now the next one is Paint.net. Coming it at number 4 is basically its initial release was backed by in 2004 as a more advanced alternative to Microsoft Paint, and is still updated on a regular basis. It's improved quite a bit over the year. It includes blending and layer support and has tons of filters, special effects, a 3D rotate zoom function, and plugins created by the community that can be added to enhance the functionality. The user interface is also better looking than it used to be, and now has a dark theme built in. Most of the tools you would ever need are located in the toolbar on the left side in the menu bar. Here in the top you'll find additional tools and features including effects to transform your image. Paint.net is available for Windows. It's free with the option to donate. It's available for developers website, which is gatepaint.net. That link will be in the description, and it's also available for the Microsoft Store and a one-time. Let's move to number 3, that is Krita. While it's a fascinating it's basically fantastic painting program for digital artists, it's also a great alternative to Photoshop to edit your images. Best of all, it's completely free and open source with tons of features. In addition to essential editing tools, there is a large number of brush customization and painter's palette. It also includes masking tools, special effects, filter layers, management support, transformation tools, and works with most of the popular file formats including Photoshop PSD file. It has a great looking modern layout with the primary tools on the leftover. And on the right there's an advanced color selector. Below there you can your layers and a good amount of brush presets. It does have a steep learning curve. On the side you'll find hardly anything that is not understandable. There are 3 bonus picks here that we will include here apart from the numbering. Adobe has a program called quick and easy edits to your photos called Photoshop Express. OneNote is a feature packed of premium Photoshop. You'll find a good amount of tools with hundreds of effect filters and themes. On Windows it's available for the Microsoft Store, and use the freemium model. Most of the basic tools are free. Advanced and tools will cost you extra. Number 2 is Photor. Is another browser-based photo editor just like Pixar, and it's great for those of you looking for something that's easy to use. If you just need something basic to touch up a photo with a decent number, this is the one. 3rd number is Photoscape X. If you work with raw images, Photoscape X is one you might want to try out. In addition to their photo editors, there's a photo viewer and a collage maker. It's available for Mac OS, Windows 10 or newer Windows. They do offer a pro version with Photoscape X in Microsoft Store. Alright, let's get back to our numbers. So number 2 is Photopea. Basically, the runner-up shortcoming is Photopea, and many people pronounce it Photopea. The developers say it's Photopea. So that's that's how you pronounce it. It support almost any image file type, including raw images. Also supports Photoshop, PSD file. It's a web app, so it will run in any browser, and the layout of all those mentioned in the video most resembles Photoshop. Most of the tools you'll be using are located here on the left and upper side, and if you click on learn, it will open a new window. And yeah, it's basically support, or you can pay a little as $333 per month, and that's it. So the number one is GIMP. In the top shot, we have this GIMP. It's an open source photo editing software. It's so powerful that it can do just about anything that Photoshop can do with zero cost to you. It's 100% completely free. It includes advanced filter and effects, colors, adjustment, ability to work with layers, is compatible with most image files formats, including support for Photoshop, PSD files, painting tools, and also includes the digital artist. Full alpha channel supports makes it easy when working with transparent background, and more than 100 plugins are available to expand its capacity or capability. When you launch, you'll notice a large set of tools created in the toolbox on the left side, where you can work with the layers and access the brushes at the very top in the menu bar. It gives you additional tools to manipulate your image, including a good amount of filters for you to play around with various themes that you can choose from. I prefer using a dark theme, and if you want to change the theme, just go to edit, select preferences, and left panel on the interface, select theme of your choice, dark, gray, light, or I have default set to system theme for your computer. Does have the steep learning curve on the side. They have tutorials that might be useful for you when getting started over. Last few years we've also released 2 beginners guide. They might be helpful, so we'll put those links in the description as well. If you want, check them out. Just check it out. It's available for Windows and Mac. I hope you find these videos really beneficial, and please subscribe to our channel for learning more.